Are you using public Wi-Fi without realizing the security risks? You are not the only one, but check out this video to get practical tips to help you stay safe. Hey all, welcome back to CyberSafe Simplified. We all love the convenience of public Wi-Fi, whether at a coffee shop, airport, or hotel. But did you know that public Wi-Fi can also be a goldmine for hackers? Today, we are going over some simple ways to protect your devices while using public networks. Let's dive in. Public Wi-Fi networks often lack security, making them easy targets for hackers. Without proper protection, cybercriminals can intercept your data, monitor your online activity, and even access your sensitive information. But don't worry. There are steps you can take to stay safe while still enjoying the convenience of public Wi-Fi. First and foremost, use a VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it much harder for hackers to intercept your data. Think of it as creating a private tunnel for your data while you're on a public network. If you're frequently on public Wi-Fi, a VPN is an essential tool for keeping your data safe. Avoid accessing sensitive information like online banking or shopping on public Wi-Fi. Wait until you're on a secure network, like your home Wi-Fi, before handling any transactions that involve personal or financial data. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Even if a hacker gets your password, they'll still need a second piece of information to get in, which makes it much harder for them to access your accounts. Turn off file sharing, Airdrop, or similar features when you're on public Wi-Fi. Hackers can use these features to slip malicious files onto your device or gain access to your files. Only turn these features back on when you're on a private, secure network. When you're done using public Wi-Fi, make sure to forget the network. This stops your device from automatically reconnecting to it, which can be risky, especially if hackers create fake, look-alike networks. And a quick bonus tip. Keep your software and apps updated. Updates often contain security patches that protect your device from vulnerabilities hackers could exploit on public networks. You can also check out my related video, Why You Should Never Ignore Software Updates. To recap, use a VPN. Avoid accessing sensitive info. Enable 2FA. Turn off file sharing. Forget the network after use. And keep your software updated. With these tips, you can enjoy public Wi-Fi safely and securely. And that's a wrap on today's video. Have you tried using a VPN on public Wi-Fi? Let me know in the comments. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cybersecurity tips with CyberSafe Simplified. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.